Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com, and today we're going to explain to you why you're seeing an error message in Windows Update that says your device isn't quite ready for it. This means you have a feature update, and if you haven't heard, over time, Microsoft has had some really botched feature updates. Those come every 6 months or so, typically twice a year, and they add a lot of new features and changes to Windows. They're considered large updates, and naturally that means compatibility problems. Your computer is on the list of compatibility problems because you have a problem with your software or your hardware that could cause many problems. You have a couple of choices here. The number one choice is to do nothing. Like in my case, I can tell you we're a beta tester, so we're the ones who use the upcoming versions, so they're able to define bugs. As you can see, evaluation copy here, where you find the bugs, so when the release comes out you know about it. So for example, because this computer is running in a virtual machine, there are no drivers running, so as you can see, I know I have a hardware problem in my case because it installed Windows 10 2004 in this case. So what do? Don't do a thing, just wait. Why? Because there's a list of problems. You can see that here. I'll put a link in the video to see the list, and you can find all of the bugs, and odds are you're going to find a piece of software or hardware in this list that you have that makes it incompatible. Piece of cake. So a lot of this stuff is important. If you can't reset your PC and you have a problem, you're in trouble. Third-party antivirus, compatibility with other Windows updates, leave it alone. Just leave it alone. So what do you want to do? You have another option if you want to do it anyway. You can download the Windows 10 Media Creation Tool right here. And the nice thing about this is not only does it create media, but it also will install Windows 10 in your computer. And it's a neat way to get around problems like this with Windows updates where you want the update anyway, which is pretty rare. But it'll give you the option in the install and say, hey, a feature update's available. Would you like to do it now? And you override Windows Update. So not too difficult. And as always, if you check the bottom of any of these pages, you'll see similar links. How to pause and delay major updates, a little bit of information about Microsoft Patch Tuesday, how to delete pending Windows updates, stop drivers, etc., etc. So there you have it. Once again, Windows 10 feature update, your device isn't quite ready for it. Just wait. It should be out usually within a week, 2 weeks, worst case a month, and you'll get the update. So bottom right corner, Major Geeks logo. You click on that and you can click subscribe if we helped you out. We appreciate that. And we thank you for watching as always.